Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fathiah and today I will discuss about diode. What is a diode? A diode is a semiconductor device that essentially acts as a one-way switch for current. It allows current to flow easily in one direction, but severely restricts current from flowing in the opposite direction. Diodes are also known as rectifiers because they change alternating current into pulsating direct current. Diodes are rated according to their type, voltage, and current capacity. Diodes have polarity determined by an anode or positive lead and cathode or negative lead. Most diodes allow current to flow only when positive voltage is applied to the anode. And the function of diodes is to allow current to flow in one direction while blocking it in the opposite direction. When a diode is forward biased or a positive voltage is applied to the anode and a negative voltage to the cathode, it allows current to flow easily through it, and the voltage drop across the diode is typically around 0.7 volts for a silicon diode. When a diode is reverse biased, or a positive voltage is applied to the cathode and negative voltage to the anode, it blocks the flow of current and allows only a small leakage current to pass through. Diodes are used in a wide range of electronic circuits, including power supplies, rectifiers, and signal processing circuits. They are also used as temperature sensors and as voltage reference sources. And what are the types of diodes? There are several types of diodes. There are lag-emitting diodes, laser diode, valence diode, Zener diode, Schottky diode, photodiode, and p-n junction diode. So, how do diodes work? The most common kind of diode is the semiconductor diode. It has a p-type layer of positively charged particles and an n-type layer of negatively charged particles. When these two layers come together, they create a p-n junction. The p-n junction impacts the flow of current. The positively charged particles in the p-type layer of the junction are attracted to the negatively charged particles in the n-type layer. Their attraction creates a barrier. An electrode attached to the p-type layer is an anode, and one attached to the n-type semiconductor is a cathode. When connected to a power source, the current will flow from the anode to the cathode. It will not flow from the cathode to the anode. So what are the advantages of a diode? There are several advantages associated with using diodes. First, they prevent electrical circuits from sustaining damage from overcurrents, short circuits, and overvoltage. Second, they can change alternating current or AC to direct current or DC. Third, diodes decrease power losses within an electrical circuits. Fourth, diodes can lessen electromagnetic interference or EMI. Lastly, you can execute logic operation with diodes because they can produce logic gates. So, there are disadvantages of a diode. Tough diodes can protect electrical circuits. Their efficiency is comparatively low. Their voltage drop is 0.7 volt, so they use power even when there is no current flow. The low efficiency makes diodes unideal for electrical circuits that need high efficiency, such as solar cells. Diodes are susceptible to heat damage. They can experience an overload of current, resulting in damage or failure. A drawback of semiconductor diodes is that they cannot handle high reverse voltage. Also, semiconductor diodes have high noise levels at high frequencies. So that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.